everyone, it is Susie, and I hope everybody is having a great weekend. Hope that you are able to get a little crafting time in. That's always fun. It's cold here, and it's just like winter this week. It's been horrible. I scraped ice on I had to go to work one day, and it was ice, and it was thick on the window. Just awful. I mean, just freezing temperatures like we were in the middle of winter. So, anyway, that's never fun. But, anyway, it's a little nicer day today. It was nice yesterday, but it's been pretty cold. It's been down in the 20s and the 30s, and that gets pretty cold. You'd think that we bypassed fall and went straight to winter now. Anyway, here's a little update on my binding for the hardcover journals. I'm working on it right now. This is going to be the book that I use. I got one more signature to complete before I can do that. I've got my book gutted. So hopefully I'll have that to you in about a week or a little over. So getting that together. This here was one of the hardcover journals that I just had to finish. I posted the others before I had this done. And so I'm going to show you this one today. This will be listed in the Etsy shop. Also some fun things coming. I'm doing a collaboration with Arteza. And that video will probably be in the next week or two. And everything after today will be Christmas related. I've got some fun Christmas ideas, easy, quick gifts. I haven't done that. I did it a couple of years ago, and it was a lot of fun. So I'm going to do that again this year. I've got some journals. I've got several journals that I've got ready for Christmas, and then just the fun, easy ideas for Christmas. So that will be real fun. And anyway, I think that's it, guys. Oh, and I got another collaboration coming, but I'm going to wait until I have received my order before I do the collab video. But it's really nice too. So that's a couple of things to look forward to, ladies. And anyway, here is this hardcover journal. It's really cute. This is going to be listed just as Dovonan. That is what I will list it as in the Etsy shop. I love these photos. Love, love, love these old pictures on these books. I'm trying to use some of my books up. Like I said before, I cannot pass these by in the when I go to the thrift stores or the antique shops. There is just something about these old covers that I just love. And so, anyway, I have to rescue them. Somebody has to, right? So, this is the binding, and of course, you know it is an aged book, and I always try to just leave the marks and stuff there. I don't want to do anything different to the cover. I love that they're aged. This one is a really, I'm not sure what color green you call this, but it's green and gold. And just really cute. And then here is the look from there. And I've got a big envelope in the middle. So anyway, here we go. Now on this project, I did use Poised by Authentique. It was some that I had picked up at Tuesday morning sometime back. And so that will be the paper that's in it. I put a little lace in the spine, and it's really a pretty paper. And so I've used the age tape. Someone had told me, and I'm sorry because I can't remember the name right now, but that it was Luna. Oh gosh, I should have looked. Anyway, I'll put that maybe in the description box. That actually did the aged tape, and that Beth Wallen had mentioned that's where her inspiration come from. Well, I did not hear that, and so I just watched Beth's video, and that's so. Anyway, guys, I will put that in the description box to the name that done this, and it won't be the video with her aged tape because I haven't found that yet, but I will put the name that that was told to me, so thank you for that. Here's just some vintage lace that I've put on the edge of that paper there. These are such cute little tags. I love that lady there, and I've just backed them in the tea-stained paper. Put a little bit of my seam binding there. I have got some of this tea-dyed seam binding in the shop. This is what I am using in these journals. Here is just my own tea-stained seam binding. Here is a little bag for you to put something in. I've got whatever, I'm still fabulous. And just some little collage there. This here is fun. This is actually some Arteza paint right here that I've used. And then here is another just a little collage, Pinterest, of course, images. Be Your Best You. I love that. She's kind of backed with a black and white sunflower there, which is cute. So then I thought, well, I'll put sunflowers in the book. Now, the sunflowers are sold out at the shop. Now, there won't be any more because I know Sharon's working on Christmas things right now. She's got lots of fun things coming for Christmas. But if you would like some sunflowers, just let me know. Just send me a message. They came in a pack of 4. They're 4 different sizes. And I think they were $9.50. I can't remember just right offhand. But if that's something you're interested in and would like some, just message me. I mean, she will make them. But there won't be any more listed in the shop till next year because, like I said, she's working on Christmas now. And then here is some more just collage and a little bit of paint. There is the middle of the signature. Here is another little collage. And I've just kind of repeated that lace. I love that lace. This here is just the end of an envelope that I have cut off. And I made it a little, just a little tag pocket. But it is just half of an envelope. And it just, I made it where the little tail could kind of tuck in the piece there, so. And then just some more collage. And then this here, I've used one of the bigger sunflowers here just to make the little booklet. It's like it's little, kind of almost like a little tab. There is some more paint I've used. And then here is another, I'm not going to, well, I can slide it off, I guess. And then I've just backed it, of course, in the tea-stained paper there. And this is just a collage. It's not a pocket or anything. I've just added a little doily and different things there. So fun. And let's see here. And then that's the end of that signature. Here is Beauty is Power, a Smile is its Sword. And just did the collage there. Got the windowed envelope. This is what it looks like. Just a little cover for your little journaling. Not a whole lot of papers in it. Just a little bit of journaling there. And it sets in the center of the signature. And then here is the back signature. I've got a collage here. And I made a boo-boo because actually I had planned on putting this in another cover like this, but I didn't even realize that I'd set it aside to do something, and I just come back and I bound it, and before I knew it, I mean, I already had it stuck in, so there was no putting the other cover on there, so there was no getting it off once it's in. So anyway, that was kind of a little bit of a boo-boo there, but here is another sunflower collage. Just did a little collaging with the paper. Here's another little bag all collaged up with a little booklet. And I'm having so much fun with that age tape. I mean, that is almost a going to be a staple in my journals because I just love it. It just gives it that old feeling is what it does. And here's just another collage. And another sunflower. This bag is ready to have something put in it. And of course it's been a little painted there with a little paint and gesso. And then here is another one. I did the same thing. I've just backed it with some tea stained paper. Some more of that whiter lace there. This here is just something, I ordered something one time and this was sent in a little gift packet. I believe it was from Tailored Chaos. And she may sell those in her shop. But anyway, she's got some fun things over there if you check her out. She really has some fun things in her shop. And I've just made a little booklet. Just going to set it there. Use some little stamps from the collection. And there it is, guys. There is the journal. So, pretty fun. It's pretty chunky, actually. And that is headed to the shop. So anyway, guys, just kind of wanted to give you an update on my binding and what's coming ahead. And anyway, guys, have a great weekend and a great week ahead. And I'll catch you in the next video.